How to change phone number in TikTok from iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your phone number in TikTok from iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we have to do is simply make sure we have actually downloaded and updated the TikTok app to the latest version. Once we actually update TikTok, I'm going to open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and simply make sure that you are actually logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. What we are going to do is from the bottom right hand side of the screen, we will simply tap on this profile photos icon. Once you tap on a profile photos icon, what we will do is on the top right hand side, you can see these three horizontal lines. You can simply tap on these three horizontal lines, and then at the bottom of the screen you have the option called settings and privacy. Go ahead and simply tap on this gear icon which says settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of options. At the top you have the option called manage account. So basically simply tap on the manage account button. Once you tap on manage account, you can see a list of all of these options. What you can do is at the top of the screen you have the option called phone number, so you can simply tap on this phone number option. And you have basically been given two options to actually change your phone number or unlink your phone number. So tap on the change phone button right over here, and it is going to send a verification code by using your phone number, or you could also use your email or use password if you want to. If you don't have access, then you can use email or password as well. So basically I will simply tap on use phone number to verify with my old phone number, but you could go ahead and actually use the option called use your phone number or email. Now I'll basically wait the verification code to be arrived on my phone, and then I will simply enter the verification code as well, and then hit enter. And then here you can see it says us to enter our new number. Now I'm basically go ahead and going to enter my new number. Once you enter your new number, tap on the send code button and it will send a code to this new number as well. I will simply wait until I receive the code, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter the code on this box right over here. Now what we can do is you can see the phone number has actually been successfully changed, and this is how you can change phone number in TikTok from iPhone. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.